In 1969, America didn't just build cars, it built rivalries. And this was Ford's greatest nightmare. But legends don't always die on the road. Sometimes they're forgotten in silence. Before it was forgotten, it was feared. Before silence, there was thunder. Time showed no mercy. Steel surrendered, rubber collapsed, and the roar faded into dust. But legends don't beg to be saved. They wait for someone who believes.
Careful now, easy does it.
Almost there, just a bit more.
Piece by piece, metal remembers, power returns, and the rival rises. Detailing make things professional.
Transcription. All right, easy now. A little to the left. Got it. Looks good from here.
Not rebuilt, reborn. Some cars are built, few are remembered. But legends, they wait to roar again.